In this video, we're going to look at integrating trigonometric functions, so functions that include sine and cosine. So we can use the derivatives of the sine and cosine functions to understand these integrals. We know that the derivative of cos of x is negative sine of x. So if we want to find the integral of sine of a of x with respect to x, we can say that the indefinite integral is negative 1 over a times the cos of a of x plus c, our constant of integration. We also know that the derivative of sine of x is cos of x, so the integral of cos of a of x with respect to x is 1 over a sine of a of x plus c, our constant of integration, and these are both on our higher formula sheet. Extensions of the above integrals can be found using the chain rule for differentiation. So we need to differentiate the bracket and divide by it. So if we look at the integrand p sine of qx plus r, the indefinite integral is negative p times the cos of qx plus r divided by q plus c. And for p cos of qx plus r, it integrates to p over q sine of qx plus r plus our constant of integration c. It's important to remember, just like when we were differentiating trig functions, that these rules only work when x is measured in radians. You cannot use these rules with degrees. So now we've got the theory, let's try some examples. So we want to integrate 6 sine 2x. So we write that with the integration symbol. 6 sine 2x is our integrand, and that's with respect to x, so we need the dx. We're then going to move that coefficient in front of our integration symbol, so we're going to be integrating sine 2x with respect to x. And that becomes 6 multiplied by, and sine 2x goes to negative 1 over 2 of cos 2x. And don't forget the plus c as our constant of integration. So next we need to simplify that fraction. So we know that 6 multiplied by negative 1/2 is going to simplify to negative 3. So the indefinite integral of 6 sine 2x is negative 3 cos 2x plus c. Our final example in this video asks us to integrate 7 cos of 3x plus 1, which is a composite function. So we need our integral symbol. Our integrand is 7 cos of 3x plus 1. And we're doing that with respect to x. Next, we're going to bring that 7 coefficient in front of our integration symbol. Meanwhile, we're going to remember that cos of x integrates to sine of x. And we need to differentiate that bracket, 3x plus 1, which differentiates to 3. So our integral is going to be 7 multiplied by sine of our bracket, 3x plus 1. Divided by the derivative of that bracket, which is 3, plus our constant of integration c, and we can simplify that to 7/3 of sine of 3x plus 1 plus c, which is our indefinite integral of this function.